You know, I can't get over on how good you are at finding those opposites.
A clue, a clue!
New and old. That's an opposite.
Right there!
Right and left. That's another one.
It's a clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Where?
Right there!
There's a clue on this light switch. Only now it's down. So, this down light switch must be our clue. You know what we need. Our handy dandy, opposite edition.
Notebook!
Notebook, okay. A down light switch. A shape pointing down. And then a line coming down. And the big rectangle around. There. A down light switch. Now we have all three clues. We have all three clues. You know what that means? It's time to sit in our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair, right.